If you're looking for an effective and long-lasting cleaning solution, think Frisco. Frisco is a leading trusted building management service provider delivering good cleaning solutions that are easy on service buyer. We offer the best integrated facilities management, clean room precision cleaning, office, facilities, or janitorial cleaning, post-construction cleaning, and polymer flooring services that are unprecedented. As a member of IEST, Frisco has established a reputable relationship with pharmaceuticals, laboratories, semiconductors industry, and many more, providing them our clean room precision cleaning service. Frisco's integrated facilities management provide planned, preventative, and predictive maintenance service programs that are assured to keep your value assets at the highest standard with the most cost-effective measures. Frisco's janitorial cleaning and related building maintenance services such as washroom hygiene, dust control, carpet vacuum cleaning, and many more are first class. Our Trex polymer flooring service offers complete concrete protection and restoration to concrete floors, tiles, or marble, providing tough, hard-wearing surfaces providing good resistance to chemicals and dirt. Other services include micro cleaning, ultra cleaning, construction cleanup, pest and waste management services, carpet vacuum, floor scrubbing and polishing, factory equipment and machineries, and many more. We're proud to be in the forefront of precision cleaning service. Try us today and experience a whole new world of cleanliness and freshness. Visit us for more information. www.frisco.com.sg